Hiya, mate.
Hey Chris, what's new?
Al, the UK team have been working on the BKH partnership model, and we think we've come up with something that's new, that's exciting, and unique in the UK dental market.
Well, we are in the business of partnerships here at BKH, so tell me more.
Okay, well, it starts with the fact that in the BKH UK management team, we have a group of experts who have been in conversation with UK dental principals for many years. And we hear the same stories over and over again. Stories about too much compliance and paperwork, increased regulation, more competition from big business, and how hard it is to just keep up with the latest ideas and thinking in marketing, new products and materials, the latest technology and equipment, customer service, treatment coordination, recruitment, training, financial modelling, and clinical skills development. So we've come up with a solution that we think can help. Think of your business as a pie, with slices representing your dental practice and everything that goes into it, your time, your money, your people, and your resources.
I can certainly get all of that because I'm a wet finger dentist with my own practices over in Canada. And I hear many of the same stories at meetings over there.
Okay, so here's what we propose. In the BKH partnership model, BKH takes a minimum 51% voting interest and a minimum 50% profit interest, and also a 15% management services fee each year.
Geez, Chris, isn't that a big chunk for an owner to just give away? I can imagine most spouses or professional advisors to these principals would be horrified at the prospect.
Well, first things first, Sal, I didn't say that they were giving it all away. We'll value the practice on realistic commercial principles and make an offer for our stake in the practice. But I've only shown you the tip of the iceberg here, so let's get the full perspective. Here's what BKH partners will get in return. And Al, you're going to have to give me a hand with this because we've got a lot to get through here. All practice branding, all the very latest marketing systems, and a minimum investment of 5% of gross revenues on new patient acquisition each year. Patient journey training for the entire team. Updates on the latest dental materials. Training and development of treatment coordinators. All the recruitment and mentoring of team members. Capital for expanding, refitting, or re-equipping surgeries, even money for shiny new gadgets. Expert advice on regulatory compliance. Management of all your HR functions. Mapped out career pathways for dentists and other clinicians. Professional and personal coaching for the principal. Dedicated referral dentists and patients who have been pre-qualified by referring practices and treatment coordinators. Consolidated purchasing to minimise pricing of equipment and disposables. Membership of a collegial group of dentists within the BKH group to share the best and trending ideas. Alliances with suppliers and manufacturers to access best pricing for equipment. Market-leading new patient generation and customer relationship management systems. Innovative yet proven operational systems. Key financial reporting structures to evaluate profitability and effectiveness of the fee earners in the practice and of all marketing activities. Clinical evaluation and research groups for new products offered by leading manufacturers. Ongoing monitoring of all GDC issues and timely updates for your protection. Access and conduits to the best CPD trainers worldwide. Master lab technicians who only do work for the BKH partners at the highest levels. And possibly most important of all, an internal market for the sale of your remaining shares when you decide to retire. And what's more, Al, our partners will also benefit from clinical mentoring by you, the wet-fingered chief executive.
That's one big pie, Chris. I can really see this working well for principals. Basically, you hand over two segments of a small pie and get a whole lot more in return. The sum of these parts is much greater than the whole you started off with. So, as a partner, you get to do just the dentistry. You get an associate income on your own production. You get profit sharing as the practice grows. You can forget about the trials of ownership and management. And at the end, you have a guaranteed exit route when you're ready to retire. So, what are the next steps, Chris?
Well, any existing principal in the UK can contact us in total confidence for a no-charge, no-obligation conversation. The principal can check us out, and we can listen carefully and see if there is a fit.
And then?
Well, and then they can become a BKH partner and let us drive the business forward.